Chevrolet Nova SS Yenko Tribute here at Unique, especially in classics. Now you're going to see some 427 badging up here. According to the suffix code on the block of this engine, 454, big block underneath the hood. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Original Cortez silver car, has had a repaint along the way. Now red vinyl interior, black vinyl roof. Just take a look at the front grille. Bumper, as you can see, chrome shows well on this one. SS badging up front. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC appears to work on this one. Clutch turns on and off. Does blow cold on the interior. Fan blower works. Once again, power steering and power brake equipped car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can reach us at 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing 5-spoke wheels. Mickey Thompson Sportsman ST radials. Of course, the Yenko stripe going down the center. Interior is vinyl, bucket seats. Does have the center console with gauge cluster. We'll get around to the driver's side and we'll pop the door open, check her out a little closer, fire up so you can hear it run. A great sounding car, running dual exhaust through Flowmaster exhaust as well as headers. Now, a little more about that Tran. He does have a new B&M TH400 trans, also with a whole shot 10-inch torque converter, FYI, and it's running back to a new Curry 9-inch rear end with 411 posi. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, the chrome is nice in the rear bumper. Car also has newer brakes on it, as well as suspension, leaf and coil springs. The power steering on it does have a new linkage and gearbox. Serpentine belt system. We'll pop the hood and check that out in a little bit. Also a heavy duty Griffin aluminum radiator. Look up and down the driver's side here. You can see there's some little blemishes in the clear. You get right up on top of it. But again, a few steps back, you can see the paint does show nicely. All right, let's check out the interior of this car. The silver and red combination, very stunning. I do have pictures with the floor mats out too, so you can see the red carpet and the still pictures, door panels. You'll be able to see the VIN tag, cowl tag, again, all in the still pictures. Wipers did work, had the radio working, again, blower fan worked. AC compressor turns on and off as far as the clutch on it. Headliner. And there'll be more pictures again of the inside so you can see the rear seat. In the still pictures, let's fire this up. Once you hear it run. As you can see, it does have the in-dash tack here. There you go, get the glare out of there. That is in working order. Once again, did have the wipers working fine. Radio also works. You'll be able to see it. Gauge cluster. Let this warm up just a little bit. Again, 454, big block underneath the hood. Out of a Chevelle, according to the suffix code on it. Slip around to the back. This one will definitely turn some heads, no doubt about that. Sounds very strong. Hear those Flowmasters. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. Alright, let's slip up to the front. pause this a second. I'll get that hood open. Let's check out the engine bay. We'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice looking engine bay here too. Cowl induction hood. You can see. There you go. Again, headers, power steering, power brakes, AC. There's some nice chrome dressed up on this with the valve covers, air cleaner cover. And again, according to the suffix codes, 454. I know it has 427 badging on it. There you go. Looking for one that'll turn some heads. These are getting more and more popular, it seems, as time goes by. This body style really coming on strong. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Yenko SS Tribute. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call in or email.